about tinting your brows at home but not sure which option is best for you? In today's video, we're breaking down Reflectosil, Brow Daddy Hybrid Tint, and Henna, what they are and what they do, and which one would be best for you. Reviews about brow dye, henna tints, and hybrid tints, they are not the same thing, and purchasing the wrong one could leave you disappointed. Let's break down what each one actually does. First, let's talk about the traditional dye. My go-to for this is usually Reflectosil. This tints the brow hairs only. This is great if you have a lot of hair, but maybe they've turned gray, or you're going to be dyeing your hair and want your brows to match your hair. Also makes the brows look a lot fuller, and it kind of makes it look like they've already been drawn in so that you don't have to draw them in every day. Reflectosil is great for people who just want that no makeup look, but Reflectosil does not tint the skin. So if you don't have hairs at the front or don't have hairs at the end and you're looking to make your brows look more arched or look more defined, or you want to fill in gaps, you'd be using the wrong dye. This is not shaping the brow for you, it's dyeing the hair. Okay, now let's get into the hybrid tints that tint the actual skin and the hair. My go-to for these is usually Brow Daddy. This tints the hair and the skin. This gives a little bit more of a filled in makeup look. It will help shape the areas where you are missing hair. Brow Daddy is better for people with sparse brows, and you do have to make sure it's the hybrid tint because not all of them tint the skin, only the hybrid tint. But with that being said, it still has not been fully perfected. The tint on the skin does not last as long as the tint on the hair. Okay, now let's get into henna tint. Henna will tint the skin and the hair, but it does have to sit for a long period of time. I mean hours. But it will most likely last the longest. Definitely more of a commitment, but if you have a Sunday where you're just going to be cleaning and doing household chores, why not henna tint your brows while you're just getting things done? If you want more DIY beauty education that makes sense for beginners, subscribe. And if you want step-by-step tutorials, check out the links in the description.